Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we've got something truly exciting for all you Android enthusiasts and custom ROM aficionados out there. We're diving deep into the world of device personalization with a fantastic, free, and open-source application called Iconify. So, what exactly is Iconify? Well, in a nutshell, it's an incredibly powerful open-source Android mobile application specifically designed to give you an unparalleled level of control over your device's user interface. Forget just changing your launcher or a simple icon pack. Iconify lets you tweak various aspects of your device's look and feel, from system icons and fonts to even deeper UI elements. The beauty of its open-source nature is that it thrives on community contributions, meaning it's constantly evolving, improving, and adding new features, ensuring a dynamic and ever-improving experience for all of us who love to tinker with our phones. Now, for today's video, we're going to keep things focused. Our primary goal is to get Iconify successfully installed on your rooted Android phone. Think of this as the essential first step to unlocking a world of customization. In our next video, we'll do a complete deep dive into all the amazing features Iconify offers, how to use them, and really show off what this app is capable of. So, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on so you don't miss that one. Before we jump into the installation steps, let's quickly cover the essential requirements. Your device should be running Android 12 or newer. Your phone must be rooted. Head down to the video description and download the latest Iconify app. Once downloaded, simply tap on the file to begin the installation. If you haven't already, your phone might ask you to grant permission to install apps from unknown sources. Just enable that for your file manager. Once Iconify is installed, go ahead and open it up. The very first thing it's going to ask for is root permission. After granting root access, Iconify will guide you through a couple of initial steps. This is where the magic happens. The app will start generating a ROM-specific module tailored to your device and its current ROM. This process ensures optimal compatibility and functionality. It might take a few moments, so please be patient and let the app complete its work. Don't close the app or interrupt the process during this stage. Once Iconify has finished generating the module, now reboot your device. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Iconify on your rooted Android phone. That's it for the installation part of our journey. Now that Iconify is set up, you're ready for the really fun part. In our next video, we're going to explore all the incredible customization options this app unlocks. We'll show you how to change icons, fonts, tweak system UI elements, and truly make your Android device uniquely yours. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.